Hey everybody, welcome back to the Climb Finance Show. My name is Kian Lynch, and in this show we discuss investment markets and business news and analysis. Today we're going to do a review of stock market and investment markets performance since the beginning of 2024. So with that said, here we have this beautiful heat map courtesy of finviz.com showing year-to-date performance. So much going on here, but as you can see, there's plenty of green to start the year. The U.S. most major indices are positive on the year, especially in the technology sector as well as healthcare. The energy industry is down a few percent to start the year, and then so far so good. Taking a look at emerging markets, they're down a bit, and China specifically, its large cap ETF is down 12% in the 3 weeks of 2024, and things do not look so good there. On fixed income and bonds, prices are down as interest rates and yields have risen slightly to start the year. So yeah, I mean, so far so good. Taking a look at specific stocks, Microsoft is doing well. Nvidia, Google, Meta, kind of we talked about technology, healthcare. Eli Lilly doing solid. J&J up. Tesla's down a bit, or pretty substantially actually to begin the year. But yeah, I mean, nothing too major else to call out here. I should say also, looking at the commodity markets, gold and silver are down to start the year, but they ended 2023 on such a strong note that I'm still rather bullish on commodities for this year. If we take a look over at the crypto market, things are just in dire straits today. Ever since the launch of the Bitcoin ETF a couple weeks ago, things have been down only. Bitcoin falling below 40,000 today after being up in the 49,000 mark when the ETFs launched. And these other coins are also performing rather poorly, whether it's Litecoin, Ethereum, Solana, you name it. Nothing really looks too attractive in the crypto market. Continuing on the news front, I'd be remiss if I did not mention the upcoming U.S. presidential campaign. Tomorrow we have the New Hampshire primary as Nikki Haley is looking to make a stand against Donald Trump. Ron DeSantis dropped out or suspended his campaign yesterday, and after Trump coasted to a record-setting win in Iowa. So Haley needs a strong performance tomorrow, and obviously all eyes will be on the presidential election for the rest of the year. I also wanted to talk about interest rates and interest rate expectations for the rest of the year. Obviously, yields have been so sky high. They peaked in October, November, still rather elevated. But what about moving forward? There's been a ton of talk about rate cuts, but is that actually going to happen? If we take a look at projections for the Federal Reserve's meeting in January, full expectations on no rate cut, no rate hike. If we move to the March meeting where people are saying, oh, there could be a rate cut, there seems to be a 40% chance, 40% possibility or probability of a rate cut of 25 basis points. But you can see 1 week ago, the odds were 77%, and now they're down to 40. So it's something to keep an eye on. It's not until June where we have a full hike priced in, and potentially even a full percent by then. But It's definitely something to keep an eye on. And yeah, that's really all I wanted to discuss in this video, as it was just a recap. But I'll be back talking about markets and every other topic moving forward. So please comment below if you have any topics you'd like to see me cover. And yeah, I think throughout the year I'll be sharing analysis on individual investments, not just covering, most important information, broader market information, but I'll dive more specific as the year